By the end of this video, you will know how to handle a customer prepayment in Xero. With Xero already open, start from the top navigation and click Accounting. From there, select Bank Accounts to view the list of accounts connected to your file. Find the bank account where the customer prepayment was received. Then click Reconcile for that account to open the bank transactions waiting to be matched or recorded. Look through the transactions and locate the incoming payment that represents the customer's prepayment. Once you have the correct transaction in view, click Create. This tells Xero that you want to create a new entry from the bank line rather than match it to something that already exists. For the transaction type, choose Prepayment. This is the key part of the process because the money has been received before the final invoice is applied. In the From field, select the customer who made the prepayment. Make sure you choose the correct customer before moving on, since the prepayment needs to be attached to that customer record for later allocation. Next, enter or confirm the details shown on the prepayment, check the date, reference, description, amount, account, and tax rate, and adjust any of these fields if needed. The amount should match the bank transaction, and the account and tax rate should reflect how you want this receipt recorded in your file. Once everything looks correct, review the full prepayment information one more time, then click OK. Xero will reconcile the bank transaction and record the customer prepayment at the same time. Later, when you create an invoice for that same customer, you can apply the prepayment against what they owe. Open the approved prepayment associated with that customer. Inside that prepayment, find the Allocate Credit section. This is where you connect the existing prepayment to an outstanding invoice. Select the customer's invoice from the available list, then enter the amount of the prepayment you want to apply. If the prepayment covers only part of the invoice, enter that portion. If it covers the full amount due, enter the full available balance as appropriate for the invoice you selected. After that, click Allocate Credit to apply the prepayment. Once the credit has been allocated, confirm that the invoice balance has updated correctly and that any remaining prepayment balance also reflects the amount still available. This final check helps make sure the customer record, invoice, and prepayment all stay in sync. Thanks for watching. The customer prepayment is now recorded in Xero and allocated to the invoice correctly.